Hi, Tweetie here. Just wanted to thank you for stopping by. We have links down in the description and several playlists for you. The winter is coming, and even if it's not, it will come back again. And winter can be deadly. And so we suggest that you may not have enough heat if the electricity goes out, or if the money gets tight and you've had to skip a bill and they accidentally shut you off. You never know why you're going to be so cold in the middle of winter. But start now. Go to the secondhand stores and buy as many extra blankets and coats and sweaters and thermal underwear and socks. You can go to the dollar store and pick up a package of 6 or 7 socks for $1 and just layer them on you. Everybody can wear 6 or 8 pairs. I don't care. If that's what keeps you warm, then put those socks on your hands. Cut some little holes out and make them into sock hands for gloves. It doesn't matter what you're doing as long as you stay warm and safe. And so if this tip has helped you, give us a thumbs up. If you want more tips, subscribe so that you'll be notified. We thank you for being here. Angels all around. Bye now.